what you'll need: onion, garlic, beans. I'm using white today, but you could also use black beans. Roasted butternut squash and sweet potato, avocado, cherry tomato, some spinach and baby kale. So this is the brand that I use for the spinach. It's greenhouse grown, so there's no need to wash it or anything. It's kosher. This is a brand I trust, and this is the baby kale. It's a very good brand. For the dressing, all you'll need is a lemon, some balsamic vinegar. If you don't have balsamic vinegar, you can also try red wine vinegar. It's really good. I've tried it before with this recipe. And just some salt and pepper. For the butternut squash and the sweet potato, all you need to do is cut them up, put them in a pan with salt and pepper and a little bit of oil. Bake them for about 30 minutes covered, and then open it on broil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so we're just gonna put some spinach in there and the baby kale. Okay, we're going in with the beans. Excuse that I'm using my hands. My hands are clean. So we're just gonna assemble this. It's gonna be really, really pretty. The cherry tomatoes. The roasted vegetables. This is a really, really yummy salad. It's really hearty. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of garlic. Really adds a lot of flavor. It's really yummy. Some onion. And make your food look pretty. Look how much colors there is in here. It's really, really healthy, clean eating. And we're gonna go in with avocado. Dressing is very, very simple. We're just gonna squeeze a lemon. I like to just do it like this. I don't like to make the dressing on the side and then pour it over. And then some balsamic vinegar. That's good. And some pepper. And salt. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.